The new Xiaomi 17 Ultra is making headlines as the company's most ambitious phone yet. The Leica Edition takes things a step further with a master zoom ring built on its rear camera. However, a few early users have noticed something odd. The zoom ring on the Leica Edition is loose and can be fiddled with quite easily when tapped. Xiaomi has now clarified the situation, and the answer is more interesting than what you might expect. According to Xiaomi, fitting a mechanical zoom ring into the slim body of the 17 Ultra Leica Edition was no small feat. The master zoom ring is built with a sandwich design made up of 26 independent parts. And as you might know, the higher the mechanical parts, the higher the chances for them to get damaged by a drop, debris, or liquid. So to make sure that the 17 Ultra Leica Edition passes all these ingress tests, Xiaomi says it gave the zoom ring a little allowable movement both radially and axially. That means when you shake the ring or tap it, it might shift slightly or even make a small sound. Xiaomi claims this behavior is normal and doesn't affect the functionality of the zoom ring in any way. Not to forget, the phone still maintains its dust and water resistance ratings of IP66, IP68, and IP69. Xiaomi also says the master zoom ring went through multiple rounds of extreme tests, including drops, exposure to dust and water, high temperatures, high humidity, and continuous rotation. The goal was to ensure that even with the loose-feeling design, the mechanism remains durable and fully operational.